I welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. As you all know, we have started with the last chapter and we have left with certain basic important things with it. So today in this sessions we will be completing with. In this session we will be dealing with the objectives of marketing research. Clear to it? Okay. Before understanding what are the objectives of marketing research, we'll just go through the meaning of marketing research. It is very important to understand the outside that the modern concept of marketing revolves around the consumer. Satisfaction of consumer is the main aim of marketing. For achieving these goals, marketing research is undertaken. In fact, marketing management is nothing but marketing research. With the expansion of business, marketing management becomes complex. It has to rely heavily on marketing research for solving problems in the field of marketing. Clear to it? Definition: marketing research given by American Marketing Association is systematic gathering, recording and analysis of data about problem relating to the marketing of goods and services. Next one है Richard Cripps says the systematic, objective and enthusiastic research for and study of the facts relevant to any problem in the field of marketing is marketing research. Next, Clark says marketing research is the careful and objective study of product, design, market and such transfer activities as physical distributions and warehousing, advertising and sales management. Next one is, as per Henry Hamper, marketing research is the inclusive term which enhances all the research activity carried on for the management of marketing work. The gathered, recording and analyzing of all facts about problems relating to the transfer and sales of goods and services from producer to the consumer. From the above definition, it is clear that marketing research is concerned with tackling the problems engaging from the beginning to the final stage of marketing process. The origin and development of marketing research was started in England in 1911. Professor Arthur Bow used the method of random sampling and published a paper established working class household. Afterwards, it was developed by German professor William Verstophen, who is known as the father of market research. Marketing research technique and methods are being increasingly adopted by all the countries of the world, whether developed, developing or underdeveloped. In America, marketing research is conducted by many companies on a very large scale. Next one is marketing research versus market research. Marketing research is a broader term including market research. Marketing research is concerned with all the major functions of marketing. Market research is primarily concerned with knowing the capacity of the market to observe a particular product. Marketing research is not only concerned with the jurisdiction of the market but also covered nature of the market, product analysis, sales analysis, time, place and media of advertising, personal selling and marketing transmission and their relationship, etc. Market research serves the purpose of intelligent wings of the marketing management. Its scope is very broad as compared to market research. It is concerned with collaboration of market information systematically and impartially, analysis and evaluation of relevant data and use such data for the benefit of the organization. It is careful and objective study of various areas of marketing activities, what, when, where and how to sell the end product and the service are four questions to which the marketing research wings provide an answer. Thus, marketing research and marketing research are different from each other. Market research is a narrow concept, whereas marketing research is a broader concept. Its scope is much wider. It includes the nature of the market, product analysis, sales analysis, time, place, media of advertising, personal selling, pricing, sales organizing, packaging, brand names, etc. क्लियर टू इट. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग रिसर्च. मार्केटिंग रिसर्च के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या क्या है? फर्स्ट वन है फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज़ टू नो द बायर्स. मार्केटिंग रिसर्च हम क्यों करते हैं कि हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे बायर्स कौन हैं. अगर हमें हमारे बायर्स पता नहीं होंगे तो हम उसके हिसाब से उनके हिसाब से एडवर्टीज़मेंट या सेलिंग या प्रमोशन प्लान नहीं कर सकते. Marketing is to do with people, product and process of transfer. Each firm is eager to know about all those persons who are willing to pay for the firm products or service. This knowledge pertains to buyers variables such as number of buyer, frequency of buying, regional location, social category and so on. Useful information may energy if above based basic data are made available. Thus, the data may include that in some areas sales are highly concentrated, while in some are widely spread. If such useful information is made available to several years, growth rate can be found out, variation can be traced, and inquiries is so that market potential is made known. Next one, to measure the impact of promotional efforts. In modern days of changing marketing condition, it is quite likely that a company may change following different strategies to promote a product or service. Promotion mix at the promotion mix or the communication mix today is consisting of three major elements, namely advertising, personal selling and sales promotion. Each element has sub elements. It is quite possible for some promotional strategies are strikingly appealing and some other top loaf. Though some are successful, the overall analysis gives unexpected poor result. Research in this area of promotions makes effectiveness will enable the researcher to gauge the strength and weaknesses of the mix component so that it can be suitably changed for the better results. It reduces in a very great extent in detecting the point of satisfaction and contribution of a modern or a vehicle in a medium. Or in effect, it helps in cutting the food dead weight to restore the sound health. Third one, to know the consumer response. Any consumer oriented company cannot remain constant if it somehow make it possible to reach the target sales. It is more knowing consumer response for its efforts of delivering the products. Study of consumer response can also be known market product testing. An alert company monitors the consumer's reaction to the products so released in the market. In other words, the company is eager to know consumer options about the degree of satisfaction or dissatisfaction that the product has generated or caused. Such clues pave the way for product improvement in terms of quality, design, size, color, appearance, packing, packaging material, distribution method, and so on. Thus, market product testing helps in sound product planning and improved product development to meet the much desired consumer need. Next one, to know the market cost and profit. There has been a hoop and cry all over the world that marketing costs have established in such an extent that optimize of profit has become a high big problem. Marketing cost as an input employed by a company to execute a marketing program and is used as a standard measure of performance. Research relating to total marketing cost and their breakup helps in appearing and indicating these marketing policies and procedures whose cost is not concentrated with the result. It makes marketing management cost concise. Result has the objective of cost control and reduction so that the consumers are giving reduction in price and a rise in profit for the marketers. Cost analysis lead to profit analysis that gives profit performance by region, products and consumer. These findings of consumer behavior implies certain changes of adjustment in improving pricing and distribution. Next one is to master the external force. The firm's policy and strategies undergo change or warned by the internal controllable factors and external controllable factor uncontrollable factors. Each company need reliable information about the competitive moves the company share in the market and development in foreign market, government policies, technological change, ecological variations, consumer income, consumer spending, new product substitutes, and the likes. There are the force that keeps on changing themselves and making the firm in changing accordingly. Research in these areas is a must to survive successfully. Research makes the firm adopt as it get innovative. 6. To design and implement marketing control. Marketing control is the final or the terminal job in the marketing management. It is a task of monitoring and feeding back the marketing performance and its measurements and evaluation against the planned performance standards so as to identify the deviation, correct them as they occur, and provide input for the planned revision. Marketing planning or sale forecasting leads to development of marketing control process. Planning has no meaning unless they are materialized. Control decide whether the actual efforts are in turn with planned course or not. Clear to it? Okay, thank you all. Thank you. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Be at home, be safe.